Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to a TB&J bar. So that's instead of a PB&J bar or peanut butter and jam bar, we're doing a Tigernut butter and jam bar. These turned out really well. They are a great no-bake option, really easy to put together for either a picnic or a potluck or just to have at home. The batch that I made is meant to be small batch, but they're quite hearty. So I did it in a 6x8 pan. You'll see that in the video. You could really get 16 small squares out of it, and because it's a high fiber, Tigernut's pretty high fiber, you don't actually need a very big piece, but you could have a big piece if you wanted. These turned out really well. I will do a taste test at the end. So without much more chatter, let's get cooking. All right, everybody. Okay, hi everybody. We are back with a taste test of the TB&J bars. So instead of peanut butter and jam bars, they're Tigernut butter and jam bars. They are delicious. Let's show you sort of what they look like. Okay. And then Asher wanted to taste test, of course, because it's a sweet. Are you ready, sir? Let's do it. Okay. Oh, I like that. You like it? 1, 2. I like the jam.
I feel like a 1.5 because
Oh.
I like the jam, but
But you don't love the
there's
Tigernut?
like some weird like fibrous feeling of the oats, I guess.
Oh, it's a texture for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so because these are Tigernuts, guys, so they are.
The taste, but
You like the taste, but the texture is weird. So they're Tigernuts, so they are. It's a tuber. It's a. You're gonna get. It's very fibrous tuber. It's very high in fiber. You'll wanna drink a lot of water with it. Yeah, definitely a very high fiber vegetable, tuber root vegetable. So the flakes that we use that are like kind of an oatmeal substitute, they have a chewiness to them that you don't get with normal oats. I think that's what you're talking about. Asher's kind of sensitive to texture. So I actually really like this, but I totally get what you're saying. I like the flavor though. You like the flavor, it's just the texture for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so 1.5 from Asher. I would give it, I'll give it a 2 because I actually like it and I like the kind of the chewiness of the Tigernuts. Steve hasn't tried it, otherwise I'd tell you what he gave it. But I hope you give this a try. Hope you like it as much as we do. It really was super fast to put together with the No Bake. I refrigerated it overnight. You could probably just refrigerate it for a couple of hours and it would probably set up as well. But it's a great sort of summer going into early autumn treat. So enjoy it. We'll see you in the next video.